Using big words for no reason makes you sound stupid. The research was done in 2005 by Dr. Daniel Oppenheimer, and the paper is called Consequences of Erudite Vernacular Utilized Irrespective of Necessity: Problems with Using Long Words Needlessly. So, in this research, they took the papers of university students, changed the words in order to make a bunch of them sound more complicated, and then had people judge the intelligence of the people who wrote the papers. The simpler and more direct and less complex the words were, the more intelligent the person was deemed.